many of these women, most of the full UK, most of these Nigerian women, majority of them are UK than they. Of this kind of group of women, if you see them, you see all these musicians, young art musicians come. The most important thing why you see our women, by us, if they come, because the reason that to blow them, and I want to bring many issues come out, and many of the issues don't get my list. You know, this Nigeria I got many things where I don't fish out. All these women, when we say now tell Europe, now be waiting they call Uki, waiting Star Majesty talk or Uki says Kuki, ne Sistani says Suki ne Brotani. That is what we call Uki. Uki. A woman, when call it say married woman. You will see them for Europe where we are there, so then day after now they don't see scrape or say we don't fire them now. Many men know they blow them again, blow women where they my husband out. They don't say our musician where they Nigeria and this young artists where they come. Majority all these women they blow them. And you see all these women when up there UK, Europe, their motive you see why they shake hands for me. Now maybe you see before they do anything but those musicians they use their name they wish happy birthday. They will know why. Will I don't ask why? Will I don't ask why they be like that? Uki. Now they worry of these women, many of the day you kill. Uki, Star Majesty say now Uki. Why? Based on the fact, wait, because I get list of them. Based on the fact, when you see these women, you see musicians go come, don't run, follow the musician where come play when they like, either they spray when they want me fuck them, make it blow them, either they go follow. Musician when they want make it sure this our women where they diaspora so women where they this and we need to use our brain. Brain follow them. You were married woman for ask for you can feel say you marry better woman. Now woman when you marry the Uki the warrior. Uki. Musician go come from Nigeria as a woman when say the husband ask your duty not be for you. You can get the musician because una know the way they happen. Una know what they happen. Now so they call the musician for Nigeria. Now so they send money give musician when they Nigeria. You know why they blow them. They want anytime they go Nigeria now to go a sole. Now make you see all these young boys musician for Nigeria now. They also blow women where they Europe. Some of them also blow women where they Europe. You see all these women, we said they don't pour us. They be a shower. At the end, this is they to respect their self, their dignity. Men not bring shame to women, men where they Europe. But these same women, they bring shame to men where they Europe. Majority of these women are big and they come and get them. They UK. Majority of them they UK. And at the least is with me because me I out there Nigeria. I just detect many things, investigate many things, know many things. You understand? So now, why I want to talk this issue? Why I bring this issue come out? I talk and say I go do one. And I want to make our men where they Europe know one thing for their mind. Say, before you marry any Europe woman, thank you, Stella. Before you marry any Europe woman, you need to check that woman, examine her, cross-examine her, check her. She qualified to be your wife. Because this time around, many women, when we they marry for Europe, they're not qualified to become as wife. You see a woman, when they say Uki, or the papas, Uki, because why the Uki, they warrant the woman? A woman, where don't they tie papas, where don't they peace for us? You see these women, when we get for Europe, many of them, they peace for us. Many. Why are they talking? Many. All these women, because they don't want to respect themselves. If you see what our women, many of them they do, they go follow for Europe. Now musician, I mean, you see musician wey get level for Europe go blow them. Musician wey come from Nigeria go blow them. They go carry money buy motor for musician wey dey Nigeria. They go pack money to buy instrument. Una no dey share. Arik biagia na wala chawo. Una no dey share. Una wey dey una no get share for her. Una husband for here. Una no respect her. Now, because una want blow that musician. Because I want blow the one way dey Naija. Because I want blow the one way be where they say for this side. Come. I want let una know. Una dey bring disgrace to una self. Because una feel say una dey fool men wey dey Europe. But una dey fool una self. That is why I tell man, if you want marry any woman wey you know say dey Europe here, your duty now for you check that woman, because majority of them, yes, badly, no, his son, not all, I did badly, but that badly, I not all the women his son, yes, is some of them, yes, some of them they know themselves. Ocean women no might think so why are they vex, eh? Because I don't talk and say I'll come talk this issue. Because enough of all this trash. Woman wey dey Europe, you wey man marry, the man go there. You go from the man back, carry money go give man. Carry money, go give man on behalf of your husband. Eh? You go carry money, go give man on behalf of your husband. And your husband don't go know, say you get affair with one musician. See, very soon you have your new one out here. Now no say, in Nigerian journal, all the name were there with me. With all that discussion, if I come and list man. So when he reach, I come and say me I very last. I come to blast all of the comments. Some of the husband go cry. So when get the husband go cry because if I have viola they are now, I have viola they are ready to go anywhere. I'll get it to bring out because I get proof of many of una. Many are there. Una they come, they play love. Many of una. I can't ask myself, how these women, now all these women here. Now tell you. So now make me, now come no white musician come. You go see the chicken, they spit on the whole land. The whole land they use for this, they rob, use for this, they rob the man. You and this now women were just my asshole. You go rob. You will be my way there. They don't go rob near you. Because they know say tomorrow you no go there. Now, so why I want to talk this thing today, majority of these women, many of them, now women will be say, we don't condemn for Europe, as they condemn, then they find another person when they want our journal. My people, I want to let me understand one thing. Before you marry any Europe woman, there's what they call a oath of alliance. Carry your woman, may follow tradition when they call Efenyi. Efenyi is a very, very important thing before you marry a woman. Tell her, say, as I marry you, you go follow my culture, my tradition. You go take a oath of alliance. Very, very important. At the time, very, very what? Important. A oath of what? Alliance. Because a lot of people don't understand, say, many men, women don't sit down for their head for Europe. Because why at the time men, what we call a oath of alliance must be taken by these women. If not, dear, many men, they put their life in danger. You see, many men, their life is in danger. Why their life is in danger? These women don't manipulate them. I make you today social media. You go see some women, may go come. They go take bias to say the truth because of what? May their wife not use slap, beat them, may not just come up for us. Because majority UK women, UK, Nigeria women, where they UK. Now I want first talk to. Now be my first agenda where I want to talk to. You know what I want to talk to now? There are a lot of things when me see with my eye when I did Nigeria. When I see majority of our UK women, how they find those musicians, make they blow them, then they find them, then they run follow them. Majority of them now. I want to let you understand one thing today. This thing where I want to talk, you go pay many who don't go call those musicians say, we are going to get Nigeria, we love, we are going to feel like quoi, or play me à quoi, mais I feel like quoi. Ou we ni gbe we we ro wodo u ro wodo u gbe love with a musician already o wodo je abi o was for uje so o wodo je abi o was for uje so I want to know those ones was je abi o wodo je. Listen, wetin women don't understand the life you were living when you were a single, when you are unmarried, is different from the life you are supposed to live when you are married. There is difference between a single woman and a married woman that the bride price has been paid. When your bride price has been paid, there are a lot of things. So, if there are many things where people say, you need to throw away from your body. When you marry, there are certain things as a married woman when you're not supposed to do again. But our women will tell you though, when you marry them, after you marry them, this is when they're supposed to throw away. They're not going to wear. Listen, women, marriage. Now, something will be when you enter, all those chop and clean mouth, what you do, you not go do again. But our women, for Europe, now that one, they go marry, now they fuck pass. You're looking, how many women tell you will go come and say another man how they blow and few. If you are a married woman, if you trust yourself, as me and Jay, me and Yana, if you trust yourself, come. Listen. If you trust yourself, you go come and you come swear, say yes. I trust myself. No man, they blow me apart from my husband. How many women will come out? You know they. Go that side, go. The way Isaac they sweat like say, how many women go fit come out? Come say, since he tell you though, since he know this man, since the man marry him, say, now let that man they blow him. You know they for Europe women, if you, out of 100, 10%, love you, say you trust yourself. How many you trust yourself? Come out from my page, may you swear if you can trust yourself. If you trust yourself, come out, don't swear. When fear not they let women swear, if you will take out again. A man marry you, for you to talk and to say you not go blow again. How many women will take out again? When they come pay me pass for most these women, the presenter women, where people see they follow presenters. Now they all come worse for presenter. Look at the presenters, some of the women call themselves presenter. As people analyze, they can't stand to live a good life. Say, I love you, say, I let your husband fuck you. If I let your husband, come and come talk. Swear, hello, caller. Hello, yes. Imo is speaker, okay. Imo is speaker, Go on, my sister. Yeah. 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 Yes. Jamano, when you go no a teacher February will be already how many of them? Few, how many out of 100 we have 10%. When my own done. We're bien piano. Imam, when you speak, Imam, you're my caller. Okay, go on. Yeah. Yes. Menuta, who bien hello. Hello, Menuta, hello. Hello, my sister, network you went my hello. 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 I know they hear my sister call back. My sister no call but who be no be am. Who won't be animal I love your care one go a call this woman story wetin dey talk. I know you are come. I be no get money for phone. A call up now I want to know. Okay, she's calling back. Hello. 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 When what? I remember. Okay, I can speak up one. Yes. Yes. Very much in Nigeria. I haven't where my woman are Hijima. Eh? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. That's anywhere they are near one point. Well, so anywhere they are women or women, anywhere, no so anywhere. But different people call, but in here, the name, but I cannot picture the person that's going on. I love your only. But see, I'll be a little man blow away. I would damn it. I will always tell my sister. What's the one who tell me speak and we are in them at all. Oh yeah, okay. So Dakunwa who were very young now. Never go away. Okay, what happened? I know where. Oh, be a done. Okay, o tapa ni no ni no what's the do we give a trust we what's going on we go here who tell be we no sun na igbo sun da me e we kana okay o bi ani no we bi ana and wherever we be one we are o bi ano we gbe mi very oni no maybe or let me give you the answer o bia na miere ogwo ewa ewe siko ogwo ni le lawe bia oni ame ni de ewu but o bia we ogwo we figure the phone we ya o bia ni ogwo ni kan no bia ni wo sun wo ra no bia ni o bia ni like my bia wa we o bia ni to sell ge no si e gbin pa gbenu a o Eh, the woman that be. Eh, we know that be who stay for 3 months. Okay, who that be? We was over. Okay, 6 months of jail so my lolo. Okay, I'll send up the other 6 months is too much. Oya go on. Oya go on. Idami ogun ehun. A man mi why I check they to wa pupe man mi o. Or so we tana we ati age ya aboya me mutana so that we may not go on when me don't tell we are in the program. Okay, later okay down. So even no timana tam baba now. Because for now no go and view we are here no. So I said that if break so that I'll call him later. What now? Oh whoa. No beer no beer. Or go beer no one. Or beer for 6 months. And the man must and the woman had to take him. The man cannot keep her money. I will not keep her, but the man is sick, but the man I little bit worry, before I think or I wear a care, wear a ball with a worry. I'm not one year good or even and you won't even know where on this sweetie pie. You don't wear your book on it, no way solo way, or everywhere. So for that simple reason, the woman will be meowing the Yariwu, they both be a very oh, be a very no, yo wo yo wa. When now yo wo when now be a. Yo wo yo wa wo pa wa. Mu yo po kan wo ni. E tu mu awe. Le lo wa. We mu awe 6 months. E tu mu awe. Yo po kan wa le lo wo re gbe lo. O wa le ni o popo we o. Bu e ba ne. E so be sunu. O wo ni na we bo no we gbe da bi ani before. All do I have fetch a get carry back no one but all sick make back. So let me use English. Now, what did she talk? Our sister is there with man. But she don't want not everybody want to speak out on the video, but she can speak with the presenter. But it's my duty to pass her the information. That is why I call her. She can call me privately later. We talk more better on that. Now, this lady is there with man. The man give her belly. I ain't there with the man. And since he's there with the man on the blow since 6 months. And now she they cook for the man. The man they eat her food. And the man gonna play up with another woman. And she did there. The man don't blow her. Close that door for me. Close that door for me. I don't want to. Hello, close that door for me. The man gonna blow another woman. So now, this same woman say, what she supposed to do? For me, now I say that man, that the man get own problem. And let me understand one thing. Ladies, if you do so, you cash man. Not gonna hear this thing. It get you go work rich. Sometimes come make the man cassava, not the feed near you. Because na medicine concern. Or the man get family problem. They don't want to make the man settle, make get happy life with the marriage. So, like any woman want to settle with